viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulsi. Today's topic is balanced brackets in Java. So let's get started. We have to check whether the given expression is balanced or not. Okay, according to the brackets. When we take the first example, so this is the balanced one because it is open now. Then it is open the round brackets, close it round brackets, open curly braces, close it curly braces, and close it square brackets. So this is balanced one. But if we take now this now, so here we open the square brackets, then open round brackets, close round brackets. Okay, up to here it is 1 second. Okay, up to here it is balanced. But here, if we, okay, this is open curly braces, then open round braces, and close the curly braces. If we see there, so before closing this round brackets only, this curly brackets has closed. So this is not the correct one. Okay, this is also not the correct one because this is open brackets, then open and close, and this is close, open and close, and this is okay. It's a balanced one. So how can we say whether the given one is balanced or not, given expression is balanced or not? Here we are using the concepts like stack concept. So how can we say that this is a balanced one? Simple. It's very simple. If you want the open brackets, so if you got open brackets like open square brackets, open round brackets, open curly braces, then just simply insert it. So if you got the closed brackets, then we can see how what to do. So first of all, what we got here, first of all, see this example. So we got the open brackets. So if we want, so what we have to do, if we got the open brackets, then we just push that into the stack. So okay, push that into the stack. Now again, this one over this one, open brackets, then just push into the stack. Now I got the closed, closed round brackets. So if you got the any open closed bracket, then have to check the top of the stack. So this is what there in my top of the stack. So this is my present closed stack. These two are actually matched. So what I want to do here, okay, these two are matched. Then I just want to pop the top one. Now that's fine. And again, I got the open bracket. Then just simply push it. Now I got the closed bracket. So what I want to do, I want to check with this top one and the present one. That's fine. Okay, these are balanced. Now I want to pop it. Now this is the like close it a square bracket. So I want to check with the top that one this and this. So these two are balanced. Now just pop that one. So if at last if my stack is going to empty, then it is balanced. Then it is simple balanced one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now let me go with the second example. So what is there in the second example? Open one, just simply push it and again open bracket, push it. Now I got close bracket, but the top one is the same corresponding one. So I want to pop it. I want to pop it. Now I got here, okay, open bracket, just simply push it. Now I got the open bracket, just simply push it. Now I got the closed bracket, but when we go into the closed bracket, so this is not the corresponding one. So I just return the false here. Simply I can say it's false. Now again, I can go with this one. This is the open one. Just simply push it, and this is also open one. Push it, and this is the closed one, and this is corresponding to that. Just simply pop it. But if you see at last the stack is not empty, so we can say that this is not balanced. And again, the next example is like this is the closed one, but when we want to check with the corresponding one, the stack is empty, so this is not the balanced one. So if you see this, open one, push, close one, and corresponding thing, okay, pop, and close it one and corresponding thing, just pop, and at last my stack is empty, so this is going to be balanced. So this is the simple thing that to check whether the brackets are balanced or not, we are using the stack concept, okay? So now let me go into the coding. Okay, now let's start coding. So this is the simple problem, that is the balanced brackets. Now I want to code it. I open the editor. Okay, now let us code that. So first of all, the simple things that you all know, like we have to get some scanner one. So Okay, let's start. I have taken the simple things, that is a scanner, and I have taken the input string. Now I created a stack. Now the actual program starts from now. I will run the for loop like int I is equal to 0 and I less than expression dot length die plus plus. Now what I want to do is I want to like first of all I will take this character in some like ch is equal to expression dot char at I. Okay, that's fine. So first of all, if my character is something like open brackets, like if my character is something like this one, or if my character is this one, or my character is like this one. So what I want to do, I just want to push it into the stack. So s dot push ch. Okay, now what else if something else came into the picture? For example, if my else if my character is like something like closed round brackets. So what I want to do, so first of all, I want to check whether the peak of the stack is corresponding to it or not. So how can I check if my, so first of all, I want to check if my stack is empty. So if s dot size is equal to 0, so I cannot do nothing. So I just want to return, like I just simply print it as system dot out dot println with false. Simply I can say that. Or else, what I want to do, else if my stack dot p sorry s dot p element is equal to the open round brackets, then I just want to pop it out like s dot pop. So I cannot say that this is balanced because there are some other remaining elements, no? So I cannot say this is balanced. Then, then just I just not written anything. Now again, if something like or else means else position actually includes if something like if it is not the like open round brackets, is something like open curly braces, then I just want to like system dot out dot, I can simply say okay it is not balanced. Okay, false and just do return. So this is the simple step, and this actually works with everything. So in case of this round like closed round brackets, I can choose closed curly braces. And in place of this open round brackets, I can place open curly bracket. And then just simple. In place of closed round brackets, I can place closed curly brackets. Then this is open square brackets, sorry, open square brackets. Now again, so we are just printing the false statement. If it is not matching or if the stack is empty when we are checking out, we are just printing the false statement and we are just returning, means stopping the entire program. So what happens? So if it returns something like true, we have to check. So as I discussed before, we can say that particular thing is true only if at last our stack is empty. So at last, after this whole for loop, so this is the for loop, no? Okay. After this for loop, I want to say if my s dot size means my stack size is equal to 0, then only I can say, okay, this is nice. I mean, this is balanced one. I just want to print true. Or else I can say, okay, it is not balanced. So I can say it is false, means not balanced. Okay, let me run this first of all. Okay, it is showing some errors to us. Two errors, okay. Cannot find the symbol. Expression dot length. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, I just taken EPR. Oh, sorry. Expression. And again, I want to run. Okay. It just written two because it is something like balanced one only. Okay. This closed, sorry, open close, and this open, close, open, close. Yes, this is balanced. Now let us submit. Yeah, passed 5 out of 5. All test cases have passed. Okay, just wait for a minute because I want to explain this whole code with an example. Okay. Okay, now let us see whether. So this is actually false because it is not balanced, and this is balanced one. Okay, now let us check. So first of all, I'm taking this one. Okay. So like, okay. So what I'm doing is, so first of all, I'm here. I have a stack. So first of all, what I'm doing. Okay, is it open or closed one? I'm checking. Yes, it is the open one. Just simply push it into the stack. Now, okay. Now I'm going to here, and this is also the open one. I'm pushing into the stack. Now it is the closed one. So what I want to do? Okay, so it is the closed one. Else if my character is the closed round brackets. Now what I want to do is, if my stack dot size is equal to 0. No, because it is not empty. It's having some characters in it. Okay, so I just like leave it, and I go on into the else if loop. If my s dot peak is equal to my open round brackets, yes. So what I want to do, I just want to pop it. Okay, this is also over. Now I want to check with this. This is the open curly braces. So just I want to push it into the stack. Now this is the open curly braces. Open curly braces, I want to push it into the stack. That's also over. And this is the closed curly brackets. So what I want to do, yes, this is the closed curly brackets. Now first of all, I want to check whether, sorry, okay. Now I want to check whether it is like stack is empty or not. No, stack is not empty. Now I want to check the peak element. If the peak element is the open curly braces, no. So what I want to do, so it is not equal to open curly braces, then I just want to return the false. That's enough because the even one is not balanced, the whole expression is not balanced, means I'm just simply printing the false statement, then I'm just returning it. So now let me take the second example. Okay, first of all I will, okay, okay. So my expression is this one. First of all, I am in here. This is the first one. This is the open square brackets. So just I'm inserting into the stack. Now this is also open round brackets. I'm just pushing into the stack. This is the closed round brackets. So what I want to do, I want to check. One second. Yes, I want to check whether this open curly braces is there. Now I want to check if my stack is empty or not. So it is not empty. Okay, I'm going into the else if loop. Then I'm checking if my peak element is open round bracket. Yes, it is open round bracket. Then I just simply pop it. Now again open curly braces. Now just simply push it, and again closed curly braces. Now I want to check it whether the stack is empty or not. No, the stack is not empty. The next thing is I have to check the top peak element is the open curly braces or not. Yes, it is the open curly braces. Just simply pop it. Now this is closed square brackets. I want to check whether my stack is empty or not. No, it is not empty. Now I want to check the peak element. If the peak element is the open square brackets, then I just want to pop it. Okay, now I came to end of the expression. Now I want to check if my stack is empty or not. If my stack is empty, then I can simply print true. Now I will take a simple example like this one. So what about this? Simple one. This is not a balanced one. So how can we check? This is the open one. Open curly brackets. So what I want to do, if it is a open curly brackets, so first of all I will check if my stack is empty or not. A stack is empty. Just simply print the false. So that's it. These are very simple. So let us take this one. Okay. So what happens here? This is the open one. Just simply push it. Now this is the closed one. Check the peak one. Okay. This is the open curly braces. Just pop it, and again we are checking this. So, but the stack is empty. Again, this will print the false. But what happens if we do this at last? First of all, I will push it into the stack. And next, if it comes, then I will check if my peak element is open curly braces or not. Yes, it is open curly braces. Then I just simply pop it. Now it is the open curly braces. Now just simply push it. Now I came into the stack. Sorry, end of the expression. Now at last, I'm checking if my stack is empty or not. My stack is not empty, so I can simply print the false. So that's it. This is the simple implementation of whether our brackets are balanced or not in an expression. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. The coming video is finding the next greater element on the right in an array in Java. So subscribe to my channel to Quick Coder to get notifications for the new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.